Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Near Protocol. We're going to double check a couple key factors and kind of just see roughly what's going on here. This coin is looking pretty strong. It's so far so good, breaking its descending trend line, potentially breaking free from this bear flag pattern, and overall printing a falling wedge. This is a very good sign. Falling wedges typically break to the upside after they break through the descending trend line. So there's a solid chance we're going to see further upside here, but we want to double check a couple of other things. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. Thanks so much for watching. If you could comment below, like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Deeply appreciate that as well. Taking a quick look here at Near Protocol. We're double checking the liquidation. We're going to see here there's a lot of liquidation between now and 7.5. If we zoom out a little bit too, we can see liquidation goes all the way up to 8.5. So there's a lot of shorts entering this both low leverage and high leverage shorts entering into Near Protocol, which is crazy to me, but also makes kind of sense for the market because Bitcoin's been nothing but a shenanigan monster, shooting up and shooting down, destroying all sorts of vaults, and this is one of those outliers that's probably not worth betting against. Either way, we have a lot of liquidation between 5 and 5.5, but generally speaking, heaviest concentration to the upside, 7.4 upwards of about 7.8. Okay, so just to clarify, 7.4 on the charts is this guy right here, just above the most recent resistance, and 7.8 is about right there. Okay, so those are the two areas of liquidation that could be coming here next. All right, so taking a quick look at the daily time frame, let's work our way down and see where we're at. Last I looked at this, we were looking fairly bearish in the overall sense of the 50-day and 20-day SMA. At this point, we are back up over the 20-day SMA for the moment. Granted, today's candlestick hasn't closed yet, but when we get a closure about $7 or higher, we'll be over that level, kind of letting us know we're kind of back on track. All right, it doesn't mean we're 100% good to go, but it just means that we are definitely looking very decent. Same thing here as well with the RSIs. This is looking awesome. Look at this here. Money flow index extremely high, RSI over 50, stochastic swinging up, and MACD trying to converge but hasn't yet. It's on its way though. Okay, those are all very, very positive signs. And if you take a look at this trend line too, we can see pretty solid candlestick above that level. While we haven't closed yet, we got 8 hours left in today's trading day. This is a pretty solid start. Keep in mind, we could see a pullback here from near just because Bitcoin is overextending itself a little bit, which is a nice change of pace. And with that being said, Bitcoin pulls back. We could see a slight correction here as well. But the key takeaway is that we're so far above that 0.382 fib level of 714. It's an important level to be above. We can also see that we're breaking above this ascending trend line here, that's somewhat of a bear flag pattern. So this is nice invalidation so far. We're above all four moving averages. RSI is up over 50. Money flow index a little lower than I would like. This is a false positive here, kind of letting us know this. We may actually see the price taper off a little bit, considering the fact that we don't have a lot of money flowing in this coin. You got to recognize though, not a lot of money is flowing into any altcoins because right now Bitcoin dominance is just destroying faces, right? So again, it's super high, alts are bleeding out, and very few alts minus Near Protocol are surging right now, okay? So keep in mind, we're in a position right now, this is not fantastic, but it's very good. Simple way to understand it here. Stochastic RSI swinging up, MACD converged with a MACD FU recently here, so a lot of reasons why this coin is not worth betting against. If we take a look at the hourly, Ichimoku Cloud, we can confirm we're above the cloud, lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines above the baseline. So this coin is looking very strong. I would not bet against it at all. If you're looking for a long position, sometimes the best practice is to wait for the price action to retest the most recent descending trend line. That's possibly a tall order though at this point. We might very well see this coin continue to run. So I would say as long as we get a closure above 710 today, right there, 710, 715, above this 0.382 fib level, we should be in good shape to see the price continue further up. Now that we've broken through that level though, if we could probably see the price continue higher here as well with one more leg up. Okay, because again, we got to remember there's a resistance at about 730, 740. However, there's a lot of liquidation at that level too, which could push the price action much further higher. A lot of times when you see the price get to those liquidation levels, the price shoots up because it's squeezing out all the shorts. So we could very well see that happen here soon. So either way you look at it, I would say green light for a long position on Near Protocol. Just make sure that you consider waiting for the most recent high to be tested. So if we kind of draw a trend line out here, we can kind of presume that this is going to be the next area of retracement. Again, it's common for the most recent high to be retested. So perfect world, the price comes back down to just say $7 even, and we get a bounce. I'm going to be looking for a long at around 7, so I'll just go ahead and set an alert there and see if that's worth getting in if the price pulls back to that level. There is a decent chance it will, just because Bitcoin is kind of surging right now, so if Bitcoin does pull back to this most recent trend line, then we could very well see Near Protocol retrace as well. So I would be careful foaming in at the top, but again, if you're going to, I would say small position size, small leverage amount. Don't go too crazy, don't go too risky right now. This is not the market to do that, folks. Trust me on this. Longs are getting destroyed left and right, and if you're going to take a long with this position here or trade, make sure it's a safe one, okay? I hope you learned something here today. Thank you so much again for watching. Comment below, like, subscribe, follow, comment, all that good stuff. I think I already said that. Make sure you trade Near Protocol on the best exchange possible. Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. We use them exclusively as a partner right now. I am going to be partnering probably with another couple of other exchanges just to give us more no KYC, no VPN required exchanges. But the bottom line here is that they've got a really good exchange. I recommend using them. And be sure to check out our Trading Academy community and Signals group in our Discord too. A lot of cool stuff, good resources over there. I look forward to working with you though. Thanks again for working with me. Hope you have a good rest of the day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.